All right, good morning, y'all. We are here, Lone Star Throwdown 2024. Fairgrounds is loading up. It's about 8 in the morning. We're here early. We'll find a little detail on the truck and we'll be good to go. We're shooting all day today, so the sun's just coming up behind us here over the Gulf. Should be a gorgeous day. Can't wait for this. Apparently today is going to be unbelievable. No standing room. Oh wow. Everything is bigger in Texas, I'll tell you that. All right, let's get in the gate. Morning, everybody.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you? All right. There. Let's get this day rolling. A beautiful sunny day here. It is so warm. Absolutely love Texas. Should be good. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. We got a bunch of videos. We're gonna have some full show coverages coming out for each day for all 3 days separately. Gonna have some short-term content or long. We're gonna have some short-form content as well as some long-form videos coming out of the entire event for everybody to watch and enjoy who couldn't make it to the event, or anybody who is here and wants to see the vehicle. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe and see what happens. Okay. Right, we're gonna head outside. Truck and everything looks good. It's all cleaned up. So we're gonna get outside here and have a little look-see before it gets too crazy busy to get you guys some good quality content. This is one of my favorites. It's so cool that it's here. This is your iconic definition of mini trucking to me. This is my favorite era, it's the old school era. I love this thing. Great job. telling you, coming from a province who thinks they know something about trucks, they don't have anything on Texas. I'm sorry. Ooh.
What?
You're good, boss.
It's mine. I got to run pretty quick. It's different, isn't it?
It's funny because there's a perfectly done white one right there.
This one's so much cooler.
I know, right? But it's just when you see the two in the juxtaposition, you're like, here's the original patina, and then there's one that's got big bucks. Just put
We were fixing to build one like that, and after we seen that, we're like, fuck it, we're not building one. We're going to build another one like this.
Yeah. Yeah, the luggage rack, the whole thing on the Cameo, it just...
And that's a one-owner truck before I started building it.
Oh, man, this is gorgeous.
Yeah, before we built it,
yeah.
I bought it. It was a one-owner truck. We debuted it here in 2021, and the first day we debuted it, CK Magazine put it on the front page.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, so, yeah, it took us about 2 years to build it. It's got a 808 horsepower, 808 to the wheels, supercharged LS9. It is ridiculous.
Yeah, it's a sleeper.
It's a very good sleeper.
It's a beautiful sleeper.
I can burn the tires at any speed. At 70 miles an hour down the road, it'll smoke tires.
Now, the only thing, where did you find the luggage rack? Because they're not common unless it's off of a Euro car, like an old Beetle or something, and chopped down.
I'm going to tell you, but you can't tell everybody. And then the handles are the Sweet Patina handles. But he only builds them for close friends or somebody. Like, he's not going to advertise, hey, I build these racks, because he don't want to have to build 1,000 of them.
It looks original. You'd never know.
It looks so good on these trucks, don't it? He built mine and his. But we use it. We actually put luggage up there.
Yeah.
These
Yeah,
are
that's the whole point.
The Sweet Patina racks here, these handles.
Yeah, but it's worn in all the right spots. Like
the way he welds, he don't clean them up or nothing. Because we want the rusty look.
See, and that's the thing. Guys that try to do patina wear out and sand in the wrong spots. You're like, well, no, nobody rubbed up against there, so you have to have it.
This truck was never patina. This is original paint.
This is all original.
This truck's never been painted.
Yep.
I bought it from a one-owner guy, and it's never been painted.
It's amazing, man. I love this thing.
And that guy was telling me, like, this was my work truck. That old man I bought it from, this was my work truck.
Did he have the lettering on the door still under anywhere?
No lettering.
There was no lettering for the work truck? That's awesome.
No.
Yeah, that's great. See, little things like the luggage rack make it
the luggage rack, and the mirrors.
Yeah.
And these mirrors didn't come like this. I cut a bunch of things down to make these mirrors.
Make them.
I actually built all of this to make it. I just bought the vintage looking mirror.
Yep.
And then I
built the gooseneck bracket down, and
I built all that to go with it.
But it looks perfect. It's period correct.
It works on this truck.
Well, it does, because any of this stuff back then, it's just straight cut, industrial. That's all it was. It was a commercial use.
When you got an old luggage rack and big old mirrors like this, you would never think it's 800 horsepower under the hood.
That's the best part. You're like, oh, the old man's going camping today. Like, yeah, he's going camping, but he'll whoop your ass from light to light. Oh, this is beautiful, man.
Thank you, brother.
Absolutely love it, man.
Appreciate it.
Congratulations. I love this thing.
You're up and down, so okay, we're gonna wake up and play.
And I have that one too.
If you like C10s, you gotta come to this show. We didn't even get to this yesterday at all. It goes all the way over. We didn't even get a chance to even remotely come close to here. Jesus fucking Christ. That thing's a monster.